Hi friends, and welcome back. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. Today's video is going to be yet another unboxing / review from the one and only Influenster. I've done a few Influenster unboxings and reviews on my channel. I get these packages for free. If you'd like to know how you can also get those products for free, one, you don't have to be a YouTuber. You just need to have social media such as Instagram, YouTube, if you have YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, and so on. If you'd like to know how you can receive products for free as well, the video would be linked right here and also at the end of this video. I've already opened this box, so I know what's in there. My box was opened by customs and taped as usual. If you're not new to my channel, you know that this upsets me really bad. So in this box we have makeup, it's written right here, and let's just get into the contents. So this is what the box looks like on the inside. Those products are from Beauty by POPSUGAR. I've never heard of this company before Influenster, but I've researched them and they are a really great company for a lot of makeup products. So I received these cards or backdrops, whatever you want to call them. This one. And this one. So 4 in all. I have not really read the cards and stuff, so I don't know what they are or what they are for. But this just shows you what's in the box. I have 3 products in here. 3. Okay. Introducing Beauty by POPSUGAR SmartMeetsBeauty. SmartMeetsBeauty. Okay, so opening the box, let me just set this on the side. Comes with this blue wrap and comes with this, the Beauty by POPSUGAR story. So I guess how the company came about and the services that they provide, the products that they provide and all of that is in here. I'm going to read this after. This is how it is. I'm going to read this after. But let's just get into the content. So I have this cute little baggie right here. This is what it looks like. Can you focus? Okay, this is what the bag looks like. These are the 3 things that the bag has. Following the card, the first thing is the Sweet Tinted Lip Balm, which is this right here, Sweet Tinted Lip Balm. This is what it looks like, really cute, really cute. I knew this was in there, so I didn't wear any lipstick or anything, so I could try it on for you. It's in the color Blush Crush number 2. And the box is really cute, guys, really cute. This is what it looks like. Again, really cute. Let me try it on to see how it looks. Smells really nice. It applies really nice. This is what it looks like. Tinted lip balm. The next thing is Be Smooth Sugar Lip Scrub. It says that this lip care loves you back. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. And again, it has this little flower here, like everything else, even the box. And this is the lip scrub. Let me get the cap off. This is the lip scrub. Focus, please. Okay. Guess you roll it up. This is it. And you roll it back down as you please. So since I already have on this lip balm, I'm not going to be using the scrub. But the lip balm is really hydrating and feels really comfortable on the lip, and I like the color. The next thing we have is Thick and Thin Mascara. Mascara that multitasks. So this is the box the mascara comes in. I love doing unboxings, I really do. If I could only do unboxings, I would. So this is the Beauty POPSUGAR logo. Mascara. Thick and thin. This is a thick side, this is a thin side. So we're going to be using it. I don't have any mascara on because, like I said, I knew what was in the box. Let's try this. Okay, there's a difference. I don't know if you could see a difference between my two lashes. Let me use the thin side at the bottom. On the same eye, let me see if you could see the difference in both eyes. Okay, let me know if you could see a difference between this eye and this one. So this is the tinted lip balm. This is the mascara. I did not use the lip scrub because I already have something on my lip. And yeah, that was it for my review, guys. Oh wait, I also got some other stuff in there. This is okay. These are skin tattoos, all of those. The instructions are to the back. Skin should be clean and free of oils and makeup. Roll wet cloth against the back and press down to make sure it's thoroughly wet. Wait 30 seconds, peel off the back, gently rinse image with water for best results. So it's summertime, I guess I'm going to be using those, especially I like this one especially. So yeah, I also got 3 stickers. This is what it looks like to me, stickers. This is the Beauty by Sugar Pop little flower logo, I guess. And this is the name, 2 stickers, and another flower. So those flowers show up on everything. Showed up on the tattoos. It showed up on the boxes. So here. I'd like to throw in my disclaimer. It will also be in the description bar as well, that those items were sent to me free of charge by Influenster for review purposes. Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you would like to know how you can receive free products from Influenster, that video will pop up here right now. I've received products like from Hourglass, I've received from Laura Mercier and a few other brands for absolutely free. So just click this video and here. That was it for my Beauty by Sugar Pop unboxing and review. Hope you enjoyed. If you like unboxing and review videos, I have a lot on my channel and many more to come. If you've not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That was it for my video, guys. Bye.